Big changes ahead. Will the Galaxy S25 series shake up the smartphone game? Get ready to be amazed. Samsung has been in the news with new products like foldable phones, earphones, smartwatches, and a smart ring. The Galaxy S25 series is coming soon, and it looks like Samsung is aiming to innovate even more. Early leaks and predictions are giving us a glimpse of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 series in 2025. Before we dive deep, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. So, let's get into it. Discontinuation of the Plus model. The Galaxy S series usually includes a regular model, a Plus model, and an Ultra model. For the Galaxy S25, the Plus model might be dropped, leaving only the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This change seems to be because the Plus model has lost popularity and doesn't stand out as much as the other models. Design and build. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have a new design that's different from the S24 Ultra. Expected changes include a slimmer body with flat edges instead of curved ones. It might be the thinnest Ultra model so far, inspired by the Galaxy Note 7 sleek design. Camera innovations. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have significant camera upgrades. Leaks suggest it will feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two 50-megapixel telephoto cameras. These improvements should enhance photo quality, especially in low light, and bring advanced AI features. Performance enhancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely use the Snapdragon 8th Gen 4 processor. This new chip will offer better performance for gaming and multitasking, along with improved battery life. There might be some versions with MediaTek processors, and the high-tech components could increase the phone's price. Additional features. The S25 Ultra might include satellite connectivity, similar to Apple's emergency SOS feature. This would allow emergency calls via satellite when there's no cell service, keeping up with the latest tech trends. Samsung is gearing up for a big year with the Galaxy S25 series. The potential removal of the Plus model, along with improvements in design, performance, and cameras, will make the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra strong competitors. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.